Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create game extension for MIT App Inventor. So here we go. So first of all, open the new tab here and just type here Metron ID. Just open that website. You need to log into this platform and then click on new project. And our project name is, suppose if you want to create a game extension for tic-tac-toe, okay? Tic-tac-toe. Make sure the T should be capital, okay? .com. URL you can use. Let's click on continue. Now we have that file. Just select the content and copy it. Okay. So I'm going to use here the Grok AI. And now here we just need to tell, please create a MIT App Inventor extension for tic-tac-toe game of extension of tic-tac-toe game where I can call one method that will display that full game in render layouts component. Here is the sample extension code, and just paste that code. And you can see the MIT App Inventor extension for tic-tac-toe game that you can display in the layout component. And it's done. Let's copy this. Go to the IDE. Just paste that code here. Just save it. And click on compile extension. And it's done. Let's go to the MIT App Inventor. We have that file. So open your app or create any app. Now in the left side you will see here the extension option. Click on it. Click on import extension. Click on choose and upload that extension and import it. Just drag and drop it. I'm going to use here one layout. Suppose let's try this one. And let's go to the block. Let's try the click on the screen initialization and call this extension. As you can see here, show game. And in which layout I have to show? Vertical arrangement. Call it. Done. Now let me just, so now you can test this. Use the AI companion to run this. So once you run this, so your tic-tac-toe game display here. Let's go to the block. Okay, and you can see here one more method is like game draw and game run. So you can call them also. And you can call this method to restart your game. So this is the easiest way to create App Inventor extension using the AI tool. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.